A must-see for soup lovers. A traditional Cullen Skink dish loved since the Middle Ages. What? It's a soup, but it has in it. What is the shocking ingredient in Cullen Skink? Simply put, Cullen Skink is a local dish from northeast Scotland, a rich and delicious soup made with smoked haddock, smoked whitefish, potatoes, onions, milk, and more. First, prepare the ingredients and cooking utensils you will use. Once you're ready, let's get cooking. The recipe consists of 4 steps: preparation, making the soup, boiling the ingredients, and finishing. Preparation is as follows. After the preparation is done, the next step is to make the soup. Make the soup as follows. After the soup is done, the next step is to boil the ingredients. Boil the ingredients as follows. After the ingredients are simmered, the next step is to finish the dish. Finishing is as follows. Sprinkle some parsley on top to make it look nice. There are 3 tips to ensure success. Don't overcook the fish, finish on low heat, and mash the potatoes moderately. Don't overcook the fish. If you cook smoked haddock for too long, the flesh will become tough and dry. First, boil the fish for only about 10 minutes, and when you add it to the soup at the end, only warm it up. Finish on low heat. After adding the milk and cream, never let it boil. If the dairy products separate, not only will it look bad, but it will also lose its smoothness. Mash the potatoes moderately. Mash only half the amount of potatoes in the soup to achieve a perfect balance between a smooth texture and fluffy potato texture. The traditional way to eat it is with oatcakes, or as a small appetizer. With oatcakes. In Scotland, it is traditional to eat Cullen Skink by dipping oatcakes, a flatbread made from oats, in the soup. Enjoy a small portion as an appetizer. Cullen Skink is traditionally enjoyed as an appetizer served at the beginning of a course. Pour a small amount into a small cup or bowl and enjoy it as a hot soup before the main dish. 3 surprising health benefits include that it is rich in nutrients that strengthen bones, it may help recover from fatigue, and it helps boost the immune system. May strengthen bones. The fish used in Cullen Skink are rich in calcium, and vitamin D. Milk and cream also contain calcium, so you can unknowingly consume nutrients that strengthen bones. May help recover from fatigue. Smoked haddock contains protein and B vitamins. Protein is the material that builds muscle, and B vitamins help create energy. Therefore, Cullen Skink may help recover from fatigue. Helps boost immunity. Vegetables such as onions and potatoes contained in Cullen Skink contain vitamin C and antioxidants, which have the effect of boosting the body's immunity. The best way to store it is in the refrigerator for no more than 2 days, or in the freezer for up to 1 month. Refrigerate for up to 2 days. After cooling thoroughly, place in a container with a lid and store in the refrigerator. When you want to eat it again, warm it slowly over low heat to enjoy it without losing its flavor. Freeze for up to 1 month. Cool the Cullen Skink completely and freeze it in an airtight container to prevent air from entering. When you want to eat it, move it to the refrigerator the day before and thaw it naturally, or warm it slowly over low heat. 3 gorgeous presentation techniques are to sprinkle with chopped parsley, float croutons, and drip with a little cream. Sprinkle with chopped parsley. At the end of plating, sprinkle chopped parsley, dill, or other green herbs to add color and make the dish look more vibrant. You can also enjoy the aroma of the herbs. Float croutons. Floating croutons on top of the soup will add a visual accent. You can use store-bought croutons, or you can make your own by cutting bread into small pieces and baking them in a toaster oven. Drip with a little cream. To finish, drizzle a small amount of cream, about 1 teaspoon, with a spoon to add a white color and create an elegant impression. It also makes the taste mellower. 3 ways to arrange it at home are to substitute with salmon or cod, add white miso, or add corn. Substitute with salmon or cod. If you can't get smoked haddock, you can use salmon or cod instead. Salmon is especially fatty, so it makes a rich soup. Adding a little smoked salmon will give you a smoked aroma. Add white miso. Adding a small amount of white miso, about 1 teaspoon, as a secret ingredient will add depth and richness to the soup, giving it a gentle Japanese-style flavor. Add corn. If you want to add sweetness and texture, we recommend adding corn. You can make this dish delicious with either canned or fresh corn. The yellow color of corn stands out in the soup, making it look brighter. There are 3 key points in this video: the timing of adding the milk, not throwing away the cooking liquid, and mashing some of the potatoes. Just by paying attention to these points, you can get much closer to the authentic taste. Please give it a try.